Well, you know, Kim and Karen, when you stop smoking, your risk of a heart attack drops sharply in the first 1 to 2 years. Your risk of coronary artery disease, that's cut in half in 3 to 6 years. The risk of a stroke drops within 5 to 10 years. And the added risk of lung cancer drops by half after 10 to 15 years. All told, not smoking by itself is going to extend your life, but you can extend the benefit even farther.
According to a recent study, those who quit smoking and go on to adopt a healthy lifestyle can reduce their risk of death.
It shows that it's not just about quitting smoking. It's really about making these amazing lifestyle changes that will carry you through and will really lower your cardiovascular risk, cardiovascular mortality, and death from other things such as cancers and respiratory diseases as well.
Researchers in the study found that former smokers who were stricter with their body weight, diet, physical activity, and alcohol intake had a lower risk of death, cancer, and other diseases regardless of previous smoking patterns. Cleveland Clinic's Dr. Neha Vyas says people may need to try multiple times before successfully quitting smoking. However, she encourages smokers to not give up. She'll often tell her patients to avoid any triggering environments where you'd be tempted to smoke, like a bar or party. It can also be helpful to build a support system so you're held accountable.
It's important to remember that sometimes it can take more than one attempt to quit smoking altogether. So certainly get support with your family, your friends, your healthcare professionals. There are many resources out there.
So the bottom line is you get a multiplier effect by quitting and adopting a healthier lifestyle. Incidentally, not smoking reduces the risk of 12 different cancers, and the CDC reports tobacco is the leading cause of preventable disease, disability, and death in the United States.
So do we have any idea just how much smoking can reduce a person's lifespan?
Well, so these are largely estimates, but actually it's believed smoking reduces a person's lifespan anywhere between 10 and 25 years, or maybe thought of another way. Each cigarette costs a person 11 minutes of life. Now, the good news is that quitting any time is beneficial, but especially if you quit before 40, the risk of dying from smoking-related diseases is actually reduced by about 90%.
Wow, that's incredible.
Huge.
Yeah, sad we still have to have these conversations, though. You really